don't want a piece with you. I don't want no piece of the party. And Ashanti, I don't want no piece of the dirty woman port can go and say, that thing so. Come go and say, I said, port go God plummy. You know what's that me, big old man. Don't come go and say you're better than me. Don't come do it. Big party, don't come go and say you're not better than me. You're not better than me. You do the same thing too, if not worse. You tell woman for going to amount him at all. Don't forget, you call him scam at all. Don't forget big party. Cause suck. Not tell me nothing. You're tired and bright and stink. Angela Bright got suck from a big wall. And take that. I'm gonna pay that to go cost me. And you call her scam at all. And you call her. You tell her I forgot them more time at that too. Don't forget, I have the voice setting in my phone. I have the voice setting on my phone. You don't forget. Don't forget big old party. I want to wonder. You look a dirty girl Ashanti. I want to wonder. Cause sweep for the thing under the rug. What do what's that mean? Move for yourself, move up. I mean I back down. All of them eat, all of them fool ya. Come feel like they can't come clown me. Go clown to no mother. Cause them do what's that mean. But I mean want come carry to the fucking girls. Cause suck. They all out a big girl and big boy about ya. I don't give a fuck about none of you. I mean I beg them to support me. I don't f*** You're bright. You know, see today I having all the man from court to come cuss, you know. All the man from court to come cuss up to the boy. The whole I don't know. I want cuss, you know. Yes. Wait till 12 o'clock. I come and come cuss out the soul party. I come in life of this come cuss out the plate. You're out tired and bright. I'm gonna care which girl I want to upset me. No, move up. Move up. This big dirty guy about me go suck back. Go suck back plummy. Don't come go and say better than me, dirty woman. You do better than me. You do that and worse than me. Worse than me you do her. It only look bad because me a man. But dirty you do her worse than me. Big old party. Don't come go and say you want to come beat me because me apologize to her. Uno make no apology to her. You are big old Ashanti make no apology. Uno write no letter. Call to no mother you and Ashanti. I was man enough. to come out and say, yo, I know I wronged you. Me write big letter. What is it now? I'm going to suck out to the big old man at the followers. And come off my bum clock back. I want to look a big old puss well, you know. Who's, you know? Move up! When if you move up, don't come go and say, no one come crucify me. And don't want to crucify them first. Them do are worse than me. I come out and did what I had to do. I say, yo, I wronged you. Me write much letter, I come out and do much live stream. When our dog followers, go away. Go away from both here. But you come crucify. Go crucify no mother. Oh no mama. Oh no papa. You're bright. Oh, no one come crucify me. I don't want to crucify them too. I want about them so. I want afraid of them. Unafraid. Must afraid of them. Must afraid of them. Talk about blood clot. Unafraid. Oh, blood clot. Unafraid of them. Me right. I don't say afraid of people them. Unafraid of them. Unafraid. I'm unafraid of them. Go away. Go and strength for them first. Tell them to do what. Tell all of them to do what I do. Tell Port to do what me do. Tell Ashanti to do what I do. And then look how big old fellas can come for me. And that's enough blood clot on no be. Go away. Especially that big old girl over there, Angela Merchant. Tell her to do what I do. She cannot do it. Or the move up. Go tell them I said this. Hey, can you do you do that and worse than me? And up till today, I don't hear come out and say, hello, my dear, I am sorry. You don't write the letter, you don't know to big old port got suck out plumbing. Not one of them have the courage to do what me do. Me go out of my way. I see them big old followers too. I see them dark. Then dark plus tax. I like say, they want to come crucify me. And don't want to crucify them too. Big like. Out of order. You know, me realize, it's them big old followers, yeah? Them, I like say, them want to come sweep under the rug with Ashanti and put to the woman. But they want to come crucify me. Come crucify no big old. Me not back down. Make them do what me do and beat me. I let them for do. None of them had the courage. Not one of them has the courage today for do what me do. When I'm moving up sword from both here. Not because I'm lean up, though, means I'm not understand. I'm a class and our class is not pole. Our class, I'll baby pound a titty. Our class on the baby, I suck on the breast. Our class, I'll look a blood. Our class, all that too. What if I don't like our class, them? I was being too nice. I was being way too nice. Too no look a dirty. Well, I was being too nice. I told them a blood clot problem. Fuck no what I don't know. Me say the only two people I will not cuss out here again is Dana and Chris. The rest of them I will class you know. Or I'm not cuss 13 too. I will class the rest of them. On the door like peace. I'm still as a peace with Plank Bass and Chris. You chat too much. You see me when you speak me? You chat too much. Miserable blood dog gonna be. But you want to come beat me. On the come back on the door and say, put the woman figure SR mother. And call her the big C with the big S word, among other things. What if I take what can cost the woman? So what are they? Wanna forget them something there? So for my cousin, how long my cousin last for? My cousin me done. And none of you's gonna hold it against me. None of you. If you're not wolf for them pan them, or not wolf for me pan me go suck that too. One talk with the woman mother. I repeat what me hear. Me hear all that come talk about say, oh, me talk about that. That a top tell lie. That a top tell lie. Me repeat what me hear about your mother. Top tell lie, Pamela. That a top tell lie. I'm not going at it. I will not go into it. I will not go into it. But me know, so I do I repeat what me hear about your mother. I never once spoke bad about the children. I did not. Never, ever, ever in my life I've ever done that. Never. I wound no one wound me. I wound no one wound me. Wound me bumbo all day for that to the one. All I want wound me. Wound me. Content knife and tab me up. Cause no one wound me. That to the one though. I analyze the thing and I'm so well under walk one there so. What I want there so. Anything I don't want to do it. And me no have strength for. I hope to God on will last out the rest of the days on social media. What I know. For me not give up. Me not come off because I'm out of the mother. So fuck on a peace. I don't want a peace with none of them. I don't want no peace with none of them neither. Me see a Lorraine for my life to rise. Lorraine, what you doing over here, Lorraine? Lorraine, what you doing over here, Lorraine? Lord Jesus Christ. Like a screenshot Lorraine to rise. Whoa. Nah, but for that joke aside, them people are some bumble wicked. Mr. Lorraine, them people are wicked. They are wicked. They want to juke me and tap me up. And that they want to do to me, Lorraine, stay over here, because talk. They are wicked. I have apologized for my wrongdoings. I have apologized. I know you're not one on the court can apologize. None of I don't hear do it. But look at the big wolf followers here. Come on, don't arrest me. Porty, you don't do arrest me, Porty. Porty, you don't do. Don't arrest me, Porty. Ashanti, you don't do that arrest me, dog shit. What you not say? Say no, I'm beat me drunk crow. Because you look he that plank them. I don't want him that plank. So I said, nah, I didn't know it for no. I don't want to hear about it. I don't want to I even the first one I don't want back on the germs. I uno the dog the Ashanti page. I him uno first one I don't want back on the germs. On the bright. You listen to people that don't have no sense. On the dark, you know. On the past blood clot germs. I want to come style me. For them look up two blood clot germs. Then again, germs and germs flock. All I want germs. When you go and harass me, I don't give a blood clot. When I not see the page on the brink, I would take on the page myself and hide it. Got name out to no big old mother. Don't tell me nothing big old John. Larry can't cuss my mother. Show me the video. Show me that bumper clot. Show me that video. Watch him. I'm gonna light him up. Show me that video, John. Show it to me. Send me the video in my DMs. Send me the video in my DMs. I make me see it myself. You damn liar. I'm bright. The only people that hear me, the only thing me hear people that say about me, they want me kid if you kick out. And that me hear them say about me. I'm not back down for the girl or boy. I don't give a rascal. I'm not calm down like that. And none of you know better than me. We don't do our worst. And until this day, I don't hear none of the right now apology letter. I don't hear none of them come out here and make no formal apology. I don't hear I don't hear none of you come out and make no formal apology to her. I don't hear none of them write no letter. But I mean want to go strength for move on the big old stuff and go away. And stop. Hey. Lorraine, I never hear it. I have never heard that video. I've never heard that video. I've never heard that video. But this big old girl put go and sit on the she don't want to worse than me too. Put it move up. Go play one blood. Go and play your one apology to her. I want to hear your apology to the woman. I come at her and say, oh, I want me and that why? You want oh me for you and that why? Oh me for you and that for freaking war. Bob said he want me kidney if it done. Me play for my life, Larry. You can't. You not tell me nothing. You not tell me nothing, Larry. You not tell me blood clot nothing. But I'm gonna start now. Don't tell me nothing. Me by 1 2 years old Bob said he want me fucking kidney if kick me bumbo clot. When I tell me to lie, me I tell. Don't tell me nothing. One thing I'm not is a lie. Larry, come off my page. Come off. Larry, come off my page. No make no more comment. Don't make no more comment. Cause I got freaking Let me go off the page. Because I know some of your Bob saying why I'm kidding them for done. I hear that. With over 2 years. Don't tell me to tell lie. Don't tell me to tell lie.